we all delved deeper into Hamsa Nandi as an initial ragam, and we tried to come up with different possibilities for Graha Vedam, and we tried to go past the 5 general Audava ragams that we would use. So as a result, we explore 5 diverse ragams, which we'll be showcasing to you today. Please enjoy the performance.
Gama
Magari, Magari Sa. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that performance. So, as many of you may have guessed, we did start with Hamsa Nandi as an initial ragam. And then the other ragams that we did perform were Chandrakaunts, along with Suddha Saveri, Sumane Saranjani, Shivaranjani, and Revati. So I hope you all enjoyed the performance this month. I'd like to thank everyone for participating in the jam session. It was a wonderful experience for me, and I'm so glad that I had the opportunity to lead this jam session. So thanks to CCC and everyone here for making it a great success.